Namaste Solar, and I was the project manager on this project. This is Stephen Irvin, who was the commercial salesman and designer of the project. And we definitely want to commend Zocalo and David and Chris Achenbach and Monica and Sarah and Terry Behringer as well for their work on helping us with this. So we've handed out these maps to you that actually outline where your solar array is, and what you're looking at is the individual solar panels are those 4 by, or roughly 5 by 3 foot section. This system is both ballasted, which means it has weight in the back that's holding it down to the roof, and then there are points of attachment as well, which was actually just a redundancy for this project, just to hold it down to the roof to make sure it doesn't fly away in a big wind. The design is the racking manufacturer is also the panel manufacturer, and that's SunPower Panels, which has the most efficient panels on the market today. The panels themselves are 21% efficiency. Most of the panels on the market are probably somewhere around 15 to 18% efficiency today. So you've got the highest technology.
Like 80% of it isn't used, or?
No. It's actually the efficiency is the amount of sunlight hitting a square meter, and how much potential energy there is, and how much they take that potential energy and turn it into electricity. Each of the panels they're kind of strung together in series, and most of the arrays that are on the individual units here are 6 panels each. They're strung together, and then they come down through the conduits coming out over there. Some of the wire runs are actually run down the middle, and then the last 14 over there were for the commercial space downstairs for Amlavi, and they're actually run through this conduit right here. And then they run over and they run down through the building into the electricity or the electrical room, and through there it's converted from DC electricity to AC in an inverter, and then it goes from there into your meter, basically, into your breaker box, and then it's used by your appliances and your lights and so forth, and what isn't used is pumped back into the grid.
Essentially, what's unique about this project is that your condo ownership is tied to these panels. So you each have 6 panels. So for example, these 2 rows belong or tied specifically into one unit, and so forth and so on. This is technology that's meant to just sit here, not move, have no moving parts, and work well for a very long period of time. So these are semiconductors. So silicon is the foundation for that. This is the same material used in computer chips. And what is silicon? It's sand. Well, you can't just get a pile of sand and make these crystals. You have to superheat it or refine it to get it in its purified atomic state, so that it can become a semiconducting material, meaning sunlight will strike it and it will produce it or generate an electrical current.